supposed to feed this microphone through. This is a bodysuit. Hey, my name is Nicole Fiore, and I roller skate. You know the old school roller skates, 2 in front, 2 in back? Yeah, those ones. I'm gonna be teaching you how to roll and entertaining you along the way. Come roll with me. Hello! Today we are going to talk about forward cruising. So, a few weeks ago I did backward cruising, which is like this. And then we did the cross behinds while skating backward. Now we are going to, it's not really like cross and fronts while skating forward, but it's just like putting your feet in line. And a few people have asked me about my outdoor skating tutorial, how to get momentum with your feet staggered like this. So that's what we're gonna go over today. I will go outside and do this outside. I will film with my phone, but I wanted to get started in here to show you the specifics of what my feet do. When I'm skating outside, I rarely skate, probably never, skate like this. Also, my wheels are very dirty from skating outside last night. But I never skate with my feet like this because if I hit something, I want to be able to shift my weight forward or back or side to side to catch myself. So when I skate outside, I have my feet staggered like this. Also, it looks better, I think, for just skating in general, for filming and everything. It's kind of like when I stand, like I never stand like this. I always stand like this, like with one leg popped or whatever. It's kind of like that. Like you just can create bigger, better lines with this. Maybe not bigger, but better. One important thing is that I always say to never straighten your knees. However, in this position, if you're looking at me, my knees are fairly straight. When I'm outside, I do kind of shift my weight more forward and I'm more at the ball of my foot instead of like in the heel. You always want your knees to be soft. To get momentum, your knees need to be soft. You can't be stiff-legged like this. Your knees have to be a little soft. To get momentum from, say, a standstill, you want to push a little bit out to the side. Now, if you're not comfortable picking up one foot, so I would say like this, pushing out to the side, that is the beginning of stroking. Stroking is what we call like the big long pushes in artistic skating, how we get a ton of power. But outside they're smaller, but you have to push from the inside of your skate, kind of your big toe, and push off your big toe wheel. That's not exactly what I want to talk about today, but that is how you do that. To get momentum without lifting your foot, you want to do scissors or bubbles. So you want to put your toes out like this and bend and do scissors. Scissors is what I grew up calling them. I hear a lot of people call them bubbles, but like that. So there is a tutorial. I will link it wherever. I do have a tutorial on this. When I'm skating outside, my feet are doing like a half scissor. One foot will go out and then skate in front, and then I'll alternate and do the other one. So whatever foot you're moving to go out to do the half scissor, that is the one that will get you speed. Of course, you need weight in both feet, but you're going to bend and cause friction with the foot that is moving in that edge. So that one moves out. And then this is just personally what I do. I have that one then go in front and kind of align so that they're staggered in that staggered position. Then I repeat the process with the opposite foot. So it's kind of like you end up in this like kind of groove, but kind of like what we practiced last week in the backward crosses while skating backward, it's kind of that just reversed. So it's like this, but you're moving forward, and if you want to get speed, you keep all the wheels on the ground and get that speed. A decent way to practice this, even if you don't have a ton of room, I will try to stay in frame, but I might work my way out of frame, so I apologize, but a good way to practice this is to start in a circle. So you can make yourself get this positioning, get this motion in a circle. So like this one, I'm keeping my left side down, my left knee down, it's staying bent, and my weight is in that left skate. I'm gonna get dizzy. If I want to gain a lot of speed, I'll even it out and put some pressure into my right skate that is curving on that inside edge. This is also like a good way to do a sort of pivot. And then, of course, you want to practice the other side too. This is a good drill that I actually make my world-class skaters do, is like stay really bent on one knee and drive that other one out, keeping all the wheels on the ground. It's really, it's a really good workout. Okay, I'm going to head outside so that I can show you this in a little more detail with more space. Whoa, golden hour. Okay, always make sure that your knees are bent and your core is tight and your back is tight. And I don't mean stiff, just tight, so that then you can move with your muscles. Another thing that I just realized that I do is when I put the foot in front, sometimes I pick up my toe wheels and I only have my heel wheels down. I think that's just kind of a lazy thing that I started to do. I don't think there's any real purpose to that. So from a standstill, press down into the ground, use that inside edge, and then put your foot in line. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that helps with your outdoor skating. I think it's a very fun, nice way to just kind of cruise around and enjoy the breeze. All right, I'll see you later. Well, that was fun. It'd be real tight if you liked this video, and hit that subscribe button while you're at it. Okay, bye.